Hey guys, I'm kind of late. Like, I decided to do this vlog about midway through the process, but one of you requested a while ago for me to do what I eat. I only cook basically lunch and dinner once a week, and then I go out on weekends. Fall and winter are my biggest cooking months because I love hearty, cozy kind of soups and stews and things. So this week I'm doing chicken pot pie. I'm using the Ina Garden recipe. This is where we are so far. I've kind of like improvised. She said to roast some chicken, but I've just sort of like grilled it, I guess, in a pan. And then I'm heating up some chicken stock right now. I've added potatoes to the mix. Here are my onions, a whole ton of butter. And then I'm going to be adding peas and carrots. I'm probably going to end up like showing you several weeks in one video. So I'll show you the result when I'm further along. Pretty much eat what I want to eat, especially when I go out to eat. I eat whatever like catches my eye on the menu. But at home, like I do kind of like meal prep, but I just basically see what the weather is like. I really eat very seasonally. I cook everything from scratch pretty much. So that is the healthy part of it. But in terms of everything else, I use like full fat, I use full sugar for the most part. During the summer months is probably when I eat the healthiest because I eat a lot more salad. Especially in the fall and winter times, I just crave like hearty, warm things to eat. And by the way, I forgot to mention, I already pre-made the pastry tops. The recipe I'm using does not require two crusts, just a top crust. So I already did that first because it has to chill in the refrigerator. And it's in the refrigerator now while I do the innards. This recipe yielded way more than the 4 like ramekins that Ina said it was gonna make. Those are 4 ramekins, standard sized. I've got 2 mini Pyrexes. These are like 2 cups each. And then I still have this whole thing of, this is like a week's worth of pot pies for me for dinner. Like 4 nights, 5 nights. It tastes so good though. I highly recommend her like recipe for the inside. Craving for some decadent French toast this morning, so I'm going to be showing you how I make it. I'm going to be using this Bananas Foster French toast recipe, but I'm going to be adjusting it a little bit because I don't have any bananas. Another Sunday, another meal. I forgot to show you guys when I put everything in the crock pot. This is actually the first time I've ever made anything in a crock pot. I just got this last week, and there were so many recipes that were like dump recipes where you dump everything in, that I thought I could get one. It was like 20 bucks for a 7-quart manual one, and plus I'm not so fond of these electric stovetops. And it just like, it takes so much longer. It's been, I think, close to 8 hours now. And this is a, well, the original recipe was a butternut squash curry lentil stew, but I had some sweet potatoes. So it's a sweet potato lentil curry stew. So it's just about, it's been about 7.5, 8 hours. I'm just gonna open it up. I think it's pretty much done. I didn't follow the recipe to a T. Whoa, look at the difference in color. That is burnt on top or dried out. It tastes really good. I will link the recipe to this video. But this is going to be my lunch for the whole week. Hey peeps, it is Saturday a.m. 8:27. Just got back from Trader Joe's. It opened 27 minutes ago. I was in line at 8:15. Yes, there was a line at 8:15 and this is New York City. And it was not a short line. It was about 40 to 50 people long. 15 minutes after opening. The struggles. This is why I never get to sleep in on weekends. Winter bags are out. Really, really cute. When I go to Trader Joe's, it's usually a mix of my staples, like this, which I discovered about a month ago. You can eat half of a bag in one sitting, which I did last night and caused me to sleep really late because I was really bloated. So this looked nice. I like any fall, winter seasonal things. I like seasonal things in general. I've never seen this before, or at least I've never tried it, so I decided to get it. It has cinnamon in it, so I really like cinnamon teas. Got another box of this, which is one of my favorite teas. This also has cinnamon in it. Harvest Blend Herbal Tea. I'm almost out of my current box. Advent calendars are out. This I got like a couple weeks ago and it tastes amazing. I finally tried it. It's so good, so I bought another one. Pasta. Got some vanilla coconut milk. I've been in so many Trader Joe's stores looking for this. I guess their manufacturer stopped manufacturing them for a little bit, but it's been like 3 or 4 weeks and they're finally back in stores. I should have gotten 2. Got some frozen vegetables. This is another Trader Joe's staple I like for when I'm lazy. I have chicken gyoza. I ran out of quinoa, so another bag. This is something I'm trying out. The Thai red curry sauce. Chili is one of my absolute favorite dishes to make just because it's so easy. It's a lot of canned ingredients and a lot of spices basically, and it's pretty healthy. So barring the spices, these are some of the basic ingredients. A large can of diced tomatoes. You can use 2 smaller, like 15-ounce cans. 2 cans of beans. I've chosen kidney beans. I'm gonna do some corn. I don't think it's in the recipe, but I like to add corn. An onion, 2 cloves of garlic, ground meat. I'm using chicken that I ground myself in a food processor. That's a pound about. And then I forgot to buy fresh bell peppers, so I'm going to be using these frozen ones. This one is a waterier one. I'm just going to add garlic. I mean, it's done, but I'm just going to toss in some garlic for extra garnish and flavor. It is Tuesday evening. I have been like wanting to eat snacks, but I don't really have any snacks. And I'm trying to be healthy, not too healthy, but I'm trying to be healthy. So I was thinking about what ingredients I had at home that I could turn into. The lighting is terrible. I have pumpkin puree and I can make pumpkin muffins. As you can see, I'm not really that particular about presentation. I never have been. Oh, they're so heavy. Another week, another recipe. I'm making, this is gonna be lunch for this coming week. I'm doing an oldie but a goodie. It's the Martha Stewart butternut squash risotto with sage, and I actually add some cremini mushrooms to it. I did buy this bouquet of flowers, fall colored flowers. Really like these orange ones here. That's my favorite tone. I tend to really just love buying flowers during the fall and winter seasons because of the rich colors. Another week, another recipe. Potato corn chowder. So that's the final product with some scallions and South African smoke seasoning. This will be packed for lunch.